Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures and happy Tablescape Tuesday, our open playlist hosted by the ladies of Elegance. And that is myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So today I'm styling a tablescape in shades of black and gold. And honey, I am living for this gorgeous black and gold right here. So do me a favor right now. Sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this beautiful tablescape together. And I'll meet you at the end to tell you all about the items I've used. Black and gold, black and gold, black and gold. This black and gold is absolutely striking, honey. Is it not? Let me know what you think in those comments. I've started off with a black Dollar Tree runner. Then I came in with some gold placemats that I purchased some time ago at HomeGoods. Next, I'm coming in with black Dollar Tree dinnerware. Beautiful gold pumpkin tea light holders that I purchased at the flea market for $3 for the two of them and gave them a coat of gold spray paint, and honey, they are as good as new. For my centerpiece, I've come in with these black wrought iron lantern holders. And I removed the inner portion and then hung my Dollar Tree DIY candle holders on them. And I did that with the dip treatment. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. I've come in with some thrifted gold edge salad plates, thrifted napkin rings, and thrifted napkins, honey, because you know I live for a good thrift. The coasters and stemless glassware are from the Dollar Tree. And honey, that completes our look. Let me know what you think in those comments, because I love it. Now, if you're enjoying today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I hope this beautiful black and gold tablescape gives you inspiration to create it or recreate it yourself at home. Thank you so much for watching today. And as a reminder to all of my fellow YouTube creators, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Simply upload your Tablescape video and use our hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 22. And remember, Sophisticated Saturdays is every second Saturday of the month. Create a DIY or style any area of your home in a classy, sophisticated manner and use the hashtag Sophisticated Saturdays. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.